Imagine moving into a room with nothing but 4 plain walls. Where would you put the bed? How much storage do you really need? And how do you keep the room from feeling crowded? In this video, you'll see how we transformed a master bedroom, guest room, and children's bedroom with a modern Scandinavian design, using simple ideas that make each space look better and work better. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. As you can see in the before photo, the room was still unfinished. It had plain walls, an empty floor, and a bare ceiling. Our goal was to turn it into a modern Scandinavian master bedroom that's simple but comfortable for everyday living. Let's start with the base finishes. For this room, we used light wood look floor tiles. Lighter floors reflect more light, making the room look brighter during the day. The walls were painted in a warm off-white color, giving the furniture a clean background to stand out. For the ceiling, we used a simple recessed design with evenly spaced pin lights to provide even lighting across the room. For softer lighting, we also added hidden LED strip lights above the air conditioner. Then for sleeping, we chose a low wooden platform bed with a wood headboard that reflects the clean lines of modern Scandinavian style. On both sides, matching nightstands hold simple decor and table lamps for reading before bed. We placed a large rug under the bed, giving your feet a softer place to land every morning. Above the headboard, we added one large artwork to keep the wall simple without leaving it plain. The layered curtains make the windows appear taller, while hidden LED strip lights above them add a soft glow at night. Moving across the room, we installed fluted wood wall panels, followed by a wood TV panel with hidden LED lighting, where the TV is mounted to complete the setup. Below it, the floating TV console provides extra storage and display space for simple decorations. A tall indoor plant completes the space by adding color to an area that would otherwise be empty. Beside the bed is a floating vanity that keeps the space looking open, while the round LED mirror provides better lighting while getting ready. The upholstered chair slides neatly underneath the vanity after use, keeping the walkway clear. Right next to it is the full-height built-in cabinet that provides plenty of storage, while the open shelves display books and simple decorations. We also added a full-height mirror beside the toilet and bath door, making it easy to check your outfit before heading out. To finish the space, we used the same fluted wall panels from TV wall behind the full-height cabinet and added framed artworks to keep the wall from looking plain. Simple choices like these make the bedroom easier to use every day while keeping the design comfortable and easy to maintain, with an estimated total cost of $2,500 to $4,500. This room was still unfinished. It had plain walls and an empty space that hadn't been planned yet. Our goal was to turn it into a simple guest room that's comfortable for anyone to use. We kept the layout simple by placing the fabric platform bed in the center of the room, making it the main feature as soon as you walk in. Beside it, a floating nightstand gives guests a place to keep their phone, glasses, or other small items. A simple floor lamp on the opposite side provides extra light for reading without using the main ceiling lights. A large area rug was placed under the bed to make getting in and out of bed more comfortable. The windows were layered with full-height curtains. They provide privacy during the day and help block outside light when it's time to sleep. Along one side of the room, we installed full-height wardrobes with open shelves, while hidden LED strip lights highlight the personal items, making them stand out. The room also includes a compact study desk with a comfortable chair, giving guests a space to work, read, or use a laptop. A desk lamp provides focused lighting whenever it's needed. To keep the walls from looking empty, we added a set of 4 framed artworks above the study desk. Near the door, a full-height mirror makes it easy to check your outfit before heading out. To improve comfort throughout the day, we installed a ceiling fan together with a wall-mounted split-type air conditioner. The fan helps move air around the room, while the air conditioner keeps the temperature comfortable on warmer days. By simple design choices, this guest room becomes practical and ready for family or friends to stay anytime with an estimated total cost of $3,800 to $5,800. As you can see in the before photo, this room was still unfinished, with plain walls and no furniture. Our goal was to turn it into a children's bedroom that's simple and gives a child enough space to sleep, play, study, and grow. Let's start with the sleeping area. Instead of a regular bed, we chose a pull-out bed. It provides an extra bed whenever friends or cousins come over for a sleepover. To make it safer for children, we added a soft, cloud-shaped headboard with hidden LED lighting. It provides a soft backrest while also helping protect them from the wall. To continue the playful theme, we installed moon and star wall lights, giving the room a more child-friendly feel. Then, a large rug provides a soft place for children to sit, read, or play instead of staying on the tile floor. Along one side of the room, we installed full-height wardrobes with open shelves to keep clothes, toys, and school supplies neatly organized. On the window, full-height layered curtains let in plenty of daylight during playtime while helping block outside light during naps or bedtime. To keep the room comfortable throughout the day, we also installed a ceiling fan together with a wall-mounted split-type air conditioner. Across the room, we created a simple study area. A study desk with a comfortable chair gives children a dedicated space for homework, reading, or drawing. A desk lamp provides extra lighting, while a framed artwork keeps the wall from looking plain. Near the door, a full-height mirror makes it easy to check their outfit before heading out. By giving every item its own place, this bedroom becomes a space where children can sleep, play, and study comfortably. With an estimated total cost of $3,500 to $5,500. Every bedroom has a different purpose, but they all deserve thoughtful design. When your furniture fits the space, your storage is well planned, and every detail has a purpose, the whole room becomes comfortable to use every day. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which bedroom would you choose? The master bedroom, the guest room, or the children's bedroom? Tell us in the comments below. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.